Hi, I'm Tommaso from easyreporting.io, and today we're going to see how to install Google Tag Manager in your Shopify store. Let's get started, shall we? All right, here we are in the Google Tag Manager setup. Google Tag Manager is one of the most powerful tools created by Google in the recent years. In my opinion, it's great to control everything that's going on your website, to easily create events in Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel. It really helps any marketing team, tech team to be faster in deploying updates and make everything communicate with everything else. So we're going to click on Create Account. Here we are going to decide our account name. In my case, I'm going to put Test as a name. You can decide if you want to give even more data to Google. For this time, I think I'm going to skip it just in case. And then I'm going to put easyreporting.io because that's the name of the container I want to create. So an account can have inside several containers, and each container corresponds to either a web page, an app for iOS and Android, AMP, or a server. And you can decide based on what you need. In my case, I want web tracking, and I'm going to click on Create. So now there is all the privacy policy stuff that you need to do. You need to accept, of course, everything that they tell you. Please read here and make sure that everything is fine. And then you can click on Yes here on the top right. So once you click on Yes, it will take a few seconds and your Google Tag Manager account will be created. So now let's see how we can install our Google Tag Manager account into Shopify. As you can see here, the instructions are pretty clear. We need to paste this part of code in the head of our page. So let's click on the symbol here to copy it. Let's go to our Shopify store. Then we go here on Online Store. And into the theme section, we will see this current theme. So we click on Action and then Edit Code. This is the, let's say, most traditional way of doing it. There are several ways, but this is basically what most people do. So as suggested by Google Tag Manager, we can go in here and paste the code at the beginning of the head section that is, let's say, marked by this part here. It can be like immediately after. It can be a bit later. Some people put it after the meta tag. Some people put it even lower, depending on other things they might have. But for the sake of simplicity, we're going to put it here right now. And then we go back to the page and we see that there is another part of the code that we can paste after the body tag has opened. So we're going to copy as well. To find it more easily, you can just Control F and then look for the opening of the body tag. So you can just do this and you will be ported here. So you see the head was closed and then this is the body section. And again, this one you can paste actually also a bit lower than what you used to do in the ad, but let's just copy it right at the beginning. And this script has been installed. We can click on Save. And then once we go back to our website, we will be able to see that through Wapalizer or other tools that Google Tag Manager is installed. Did you enjoy this video? Well, you can like, subscribe, and share it with anyone that might find it helpful. Also on easyreporting.io, there is a lot more content on website analytics and reporting. Go give a look. I'll see you in the next video.